Okay, guess where I am? I'm at a Trico show home here in Seton. It's not cheap here, you know. We're looking at this one like close to $550,000 for the Derby. Derby big? No, Derby is small, like 1280. It's not bad. It's the layout is good. It's a modern house, but it's a little higher side. So maybe let's have a tour on Roman number 2. And that's what it looks like. This is the exterior look like. So we're gonna start from mudroom here. That'll be the backyard. The mudroom and closet, kitchen, island, L shape. Countertop is quartz. I like the cabinets, how they finished all the way top there. And the gas cooktop. This. Okay, a little funky design. They have a wall here because of the closet there. It is big, 1780, not gonna lie. And there's a way to the basement, not finished, so it would come with the door and a bathroom, powder room here. And you get a fireplace. I'm not even sure if it's gas or electric. Probably gas, I guess. They will have a chimney going up. The living room is very modern. I like it. Let's go to second floor. Man, look at this giant bonus room area here. So you walk up and there's also 2 rooms that connected. Let's go to small rooms first. So you got the hospital style, nice bed frames. And the French door, closet, not big, but decent size. I like it. How the photo is kind of matching with this. I mean the pictures. Okay, so rooms are probably like not 10 by 10. This is probably like 8 by 9, I believe. Got the French door with the closet. Yeah. Let's go. Bonus room. Man, I'm getting hungry. All right, this is the another bathroom here. The lighting is a little dark with this showroom. Master bathroom with the wide window. That's big window. Seriously. This is the master bathroom. You got the double sink, shower, nice. I believe that's probably options. Otherwise, they're gonna put a wall up there, all the way up there. Toilet, and where is closet? But there's a walk-in closet here. You can walk in. Lights on. I see. They don't have a winter. These people here. They only have a t-shirts. No winter clothing. Okay, that's a little funky. Like get the back there garage. That's the entrance. So they have a double garage door on the both sides. Okay, looking good. Looking good. Probably like $600,000, I believe, at least, to get this home. By the time adding some options, you can buy a front attached garage home across the street for $640K. So what do you want? $600,000 for this? Or another 40 grand and you get a garage bit attached garage home with a 2,000 square foot. That's your pick. I don't know. I would have picked the front attached garage home to spend a little bit more money. Alright, thanks for watching.